What's up, Union Suite? This is Mikaben. Last year was the year of much more activism from around the world. It's not just in Haiti, it's not just in the States, but everywhere. It seems like there's like a conscious awareness that's happening. So a lot of people are really getting to understand a lot of things in a different way. And a lot of people want to be involved so that they can see the changes, the permanent changes that's going to help us thrive as a civilization. So it's not just in Haiti, but me, I'm going to speak about my own experience. In Haiti, I've always been an activist. I've always been like that. I've always been very verbal, like an open book. I criticize a lot sometimes. It makes me enemies, but at the end of the day, I think the truth will always come out, and the truth is always my north star. That's what I hang on to. I hang on to the truth, whether or not I get criticized, I get bullied on the internet. I don't care, because at the end of the day, that's how I was raised. I was raised with character, and I always do the right thing. So I know, unfortunately, that especially the social media, a lot of people get how to say that, hyped up, right? They get hyped up and they get caught into hypes and they follow trends, and then even if the trend is not a good thing for them, but the fact that it's trending, they're just gonna follow it. But this is not me. I'm not a follower, I'm a leader, I'm a trendsetter. So I always tend to be against the status quo. I always tend to be a very, very activist person. This is not going to change. It's not that I'm not going to be walking in the streets with signs and all that good stuff, but I will always utilize my platforms to raise awareness, to raise, to talk about the truth, even though it hurts me sometimes. I know it hurts my brand. I've been speaking to my team. They be like, yo, Mika, you got to chill. But, sometimes it's just like, man, it's unfortunate that people just don't realize that there's so many other ways that we could have been living and functioning and being in relationship with each other. It would have been so nice if everybody could get a head start, for example. So last year I released a song that's called "Se Système Qui Blow." I think that's more than a year ago, but it's like you will get criticized, but at the end of the day, I mean, I'll always speak the truth.